Budgeting your money doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. With these 10 simple ways to budget your money, anyone can take control of their finances. Number 10. Track your spending. A person suggests tracking your spending for a month to identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. Start by tracking your spending for a month. Write down everything you spend money on, from groceries to gas to entertainment. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Number 9. Create a budget. Highlighting the need for setting up a budget and demonstrating how to utilize a straightforward spreadsheet to monitor earnings and expenditures. A budget is necessary for managing your finances. Make a basic spreadsheet to start off with, and be careful to adapt your expenditures to be within your means. Number 8. Use the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule suggests dividing your income into 3 categories: 50% for necessities, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Spend 50% on necessities, like rent and bills, 30% on wants, like dining out and shopping, and save 20% for emergencies and future goals. Number 7. The cash envelope method. The cash envelope method, where you put cash in different envelopes labeled for different expenses, helps you stick to your budget. Label envelopes for different expenses, like groceries and entertainment, and put cash in each envelope. Once the cash is gone, you're done spending in that category. Number 6. Use budgeting apps. Budgeting apps can help you track your spending, create a budget, and set financial goals. Budgeting apps can make budgeting a breeze. There are plenty of free apps available that can help you track your spending, create a budget, and set financial goals. Some of the budgeting apps include Mint, YNAB, Good Budget, and Every Dollar. Number 5. Meal planning. Planning your meals in advance will help you save money on groceries and limit your expenditures. You can reduce your grocery bill and prevent overpaying by meal planning. Create a grocery list, and then stick to it as you plan your meals for the week. Number 4. Reduce energy bills. Turning off lights, disconnecting equipment, and adjusting the temperature are all ways to save energy costs. When not in use, unplug appliances, turn off the lights and lower the thermostat by a few degrees in the winter and raise it by a few degrees in the summer. Number 3. Shop smart. You may save money by doing smart shopping. To obtain the best prices, buy generic brands, shop at charity stores, and take advantage of promotions and coupons. Number 2. The cashback rewards. A person signs up for credit cards with cashback rewards and uses them for everyday purchases to earn money back on their spending. If you use credit cards responsibly, you can take advantage of cashback rewards like grocery and gas purchases to earn money back on your spending. And number 1. The No Spend Challenge. Try a no spend challenge if you want to push yourself and get rid of negative spending habits. For a certain amount of time, such as a week or a month, refrain from making frivolous purchases and use the money you save to pay off debt or increase your savings. Remember, budgeting doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. By using these 10 tips, you can simplify your finances and reach your financial goals. Whether you're paying off debt, saving for a big purchase, or building your retirement nest egg, there's a budgeting strategy out there that can work for you. So go ahead and give these tips a try. Your wallet and future self will thank you.